Hello friends, my name is Sylvia, the owner of CCV Craft. Today I'll be showing us how to do this wonderful design, and I'll be using two colors for this design, and I'm using my beading needle size 9, my size 3 seed bead, the blue one, the yellow size 3, so I'm using size 3 altogether. So to start with this design, I'll pick 3 of the yellow beads and I'll drop it, and I have this. I'll take one to cross it, I'll cross with this, and I have this. After this, I'll pick one of this with my right and one of the yellow with my left, and I have this, and I have this. And the next thing I'll do, I'll pick 10 seed with the blue one with my right and 10 with my left. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'll do the same with my left fishing, my left needle. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'll have something like this. I have this. I have 10 here, 10 the other side. So I have this 10, 10. So the next thing to do, I'll pick one yellow with my right needle and my left needle, and I'll take one to cross it. I'll cross it with this, and I have this. After crossing, I pick another one, pick right, and I'll pick with my left seed bead, then pick another one. So because I want to turn, instead of me crisscrossing with this one here, instead of me crisscrossing with this, I'll rather turn with this one, the one here. And when I turn, I will face the other side. So at this point, you see my rope is facing this way. This is where my rope is coming out from, by the side. So my rope is facing this side. So the next thing I do is to pick 2 with my right hand, my right needle, pick 2, then I'll cross with 1. Just as if you're doing matting. So I have this. I have this now. So at this point, I will pick 10 of the blue, size 3 with my right needle and 10 with my left. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have this. So at this point, I'll pick 1 yellow with my right and 1 of this with my left. Then I will pick another one to crisscross. So I will have it like this. So it will be like this. So at this point, I'll take my left hand needle and pass through this one here. Here, if you can see it very well. This bead by the side. This is what I have if I do it. You have it like this. And the next thing to do, I'll pick 1 bead with my right needle and pick 1 with my left needle, and I'll have something like this. So because I want to turn again, I should have crisscrossed with this one here on my left needle, but because I want to crisscross, I have to work with this one here, the one on my right, then I will crisscross with it. So you see, it's facing this way again, then I have to turn. I will turn it this way. So I have something like this. So I have this. So I'll continue like this until I get to my desired length. I'll do it one more time. Facing it this way. Then at this point, I'll pick 2 seed beads, yellow with my right needle, and pick 1 to crisscross. I'll pick 1 to crisscross it. When I crisscross, I'll have something like this. So I have 3 here, 3 of this. So at this point, I'll pick 1 yellow with my right needle, 1 yellow with my left needle. Then I drop them. Then the next thing to do is to pick 10 of the blue with my right and 10 with my left. This is what I will do till I get to my desired length. I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have something like this. This is what I have. So at this point, I'll pick one yellow with my right, one yellow with my left, and I will crisscross with this, with the third one, and I have this. So the next thing I'll do is to pass my needle through this one here, the yellow here. The same thing I've been doing. It's just when you get to the end, you turn. When you get to the end, you turn. That's what you continue doing till you get to the length you have in mind. So this is what I'll be doing. Then at this point, I'll pick two with my right hand, two yellow with my right hand, and I'll crisscross with the third one because I'm turning. So when I turn, it will face me the other direction. So this is it. This is what it will look like. Continue like this until you get to your desired length. Hit the like button, share my videos, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.